Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you one of the most effective use of Amazon Echo Show, which is replacement of your bedside radio clock. Amazon Echo Show and similar devices from other vendors are way more than a clock. They are essentially a command and control center for your smart home and IoT devices such as smart thermostats, smart vacuum cleaners, and smart lights. I will keep this video simple and short and focus on smart clock functionality and cover smart home in a different video. Before we get lost into details, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Without further delay, let's start with the home screen of Echo Show. On the home screen, it displays you the time, day, date, temperature, as well as the alarm that you have set up. This information is precisely based on the location that you have selected in the setup of this device. At night time, Echo Show automatically dims down to the minimum brightness that is just enough to read the time. Next section is hands-on demo of various features of Echo Show. Alexa, show my alarms.
Here are your alarms.
Alexa, set alarm for 9 a.m.
Second alarm set for 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, delete alarm for 9 a.m.
9 a.m. alarm cancelled.
Alexa, set a reminder for 30 minutes.
What's the reminder for?
Testing.
Okay, I'll remind you in 30 minutes.
Alexa, delete the reminder.
Testing today at 11:18 p.m. cancelled.
Alexa, make an announcement.
What's the announcement?
Hello everybody, I'm testing Alexa.
Announcing.
Hello everybody, I'm testing Alexa. So now Alexa have actually announced this on all Echo Dot or Echo Show devices that I have in my home. So if I have one in kids bedroom, if I have one in the living room or in kitchen, everywhere this voice will be listened, your family will be able to hear you. You can also specifically call Echo Dots or Echo Show. For example, Alexa, call girls Echo Dot.
Calling girls Echo Dot.
Okay, I don't really want to talk. The advantage of Echo Show over Echo Dot is that it can not only make a audio call, but it can also make video call because it has camera and screen to display you the video. Alexa, when is Delta Flight 585?
Delta Airlines Flight 585 from Chicago landed in New York at 3:47 p.m. at Terminal D.
Alexa displays you the local information without specifying the city name. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Currently, in New York it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 21 degrees.
Alexa, when is sunset today?
New York City, New York's local sunset will be at 4:57 p.m.
But if you want to know the information about other cities, you have to specify the city name. For example, Alexa, how is weather in Seattle, Washington?
In Seattle, Washington, it's 49 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for showers, with a high of 51 degrees and a low of 43 degrees.
Alexa, when is sunrise in London, UK?
London's local sunrise will be 7:55 a.m.
Alexa, when is sunset in Lahore, Pakistan?
The local sunset time in Lahore for Sunday, January 19th was 5:25 p.m.
Alexa, what's the news?
Wasim, here's what's new this morning. From Reuters TV. From Reuters TV.
Alexa, play radio FM 95.7.
Getting your 95.7 Big FM station from iHeartRadio.
Alexa, open YouTube.
Here is YouTube.
Alexa, open songs on YouTube.
Searching YouTube.
Alexa, play Top Gun movie.
To watch Top Gun, see your purchase options on the Amazon website.
Alexa, play number 2.
Here's Top Guns, the documentary.
I hope this video was helpful for you. I have 2 favors to ask from you. This video is not sponsored by anybody, but I have shortcuts in the description of the video which will let you purchase Echo devices directly from Amazon.com. If you choose to buy using one of these links, then it will cost you exact same price, but Amazon will give me little reward for every purchase. The second favor I have to ask is to subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button below this video. Then press the bell icon to get informed when I post my next video. Please share this video with other friends and thanks for watching this video.